Alright, boys, what's happening? What's happening? So, today we took. It was an interesting day. It was an interesting day. Um, I'm still in my journey. Still in the journey, guys, haven't made it out yet. And, I've been overthinking a lot of things. It's been causing me to trade differently, like today. Um, and it all stems from me wanting to fade bad setups, and I started overthinking like how I actually enter trades. The way I enter trades are flawless. It's just how do I like not miss these shitty ass trades that I took on fucking Friday. Like on Friday, that last trade I took was dog dickety ass. It was dog shit, and the reason why it was dog shit is because there was no because we had these weird ass wicks, right? Like all these wicks, like this is just sus. Like yes, everything here from my model is here, but these wicks tell me I need a better close. I need to close below these wicks. Right, so like those kind of things make me think like, oh, am I even trading right? Should I trade like cleaner struct, like just all these things, right? And it caused me to take this setup today, right? And this setup's great. This is a fucking fire setup, right? We have a beautiful CISD. We close above um um these like things, right? I would enter off of this, right? Because we have these wicks here and we wick this all out and then we get this nice close. This would have been a trade, a valid trade. This is an invalid trade that I took. ES had no CISD, so this is not valid, right? We play out price, right? No CISD here. I'm waiting for it to build. We build the CISD. We get a beautiful close. This should have been my trade, right? And it would have been a break-even trade. Come into the OT and reject. The only valid change I'll be making is taking partials at 1-to-1. Um, this is smart. Like this is an actual logical smart decision because 90% of my trades get break even and they run to this OTE. I know recently they haven't because I've been taking a lot of improper setups because I've been fucking fried, bro, and I'm still learning this shit, okay? Um, so I'll take partials at like a 1-to-1. That really helps with my psychology too, right? My RR might not be as pretty, right? Um, but it's not about what's pretty, right? It's about building a good equity curve that just goes steadily up, right? So I'll be taking partials at 1-to-1, and then I'll run the rest to 2R because all the time it's gonna get to that 1-to-1. Like it's very high likely that it gets to that 1-to-1. So this should have been my trade today. Right? If I draw out my price leg, right, we break it. Um, right, we break, we come down, we build the CISD. We fail once, we build it again, and then we shift. So that's two failed shifts. That's fine. That's one failed shift. That's fine. This should have been my trade today, and it should have been a small win, and I should have not taken this loss. Saying this out loud really sucks, guys. I should not have taken this loss, and I should have taken this small win. It's one of the most frustrating things for me in trading is like the version I should have been and the outcome I should have gotten that I didn't get. I'm not going to look at that though. I'm just going to look at what I did today, what I learned, and how I'm improving. Second macro, we didn't get anything. Um, this here, like we were looking at this setup here. This is the setup I was looking at. I faded this. Right, we have a CISD right here on NASDAQ. We have a CISD here on ES, right? Everything's here. Why did I fade this? Because of these wicks, right? Like, it's just like the wick is what's holding price, right? Like we have this wick, this wick, this wick. And then the way this closes, like we come all the way down here and then wick this out, but like still close pretty well relative to this. If this wick wasn't here, I faded this setup. I would have liked to see this, and like I'm willing to wait for that. And we never get that. and then we just continue up. This was another setup though that like I didn't take. This is like too small though. This is too small. Like everything's here though. I mean, I will say that everything is here. Like, right, IV is gonna be this low right here. The range was solidified at 1107, and we took this. $11.03. Right. Okay. So this actually would have been a break-even trade, believe it or not. We CISD on this candle here, so this would have been my entry, and that would have been a really quick break-even trade. I should have taken this, and I should have gotten break-even on this. And then this last macro. Right, we break our range here, and then we never got a CISD, and then we were just kind of doing some bullshit. And at this point, it's failed once, twice, three. It's failed way too many times, right? This is a failed shift, or this isn't a failed shift, but like the way I like to do it is like we break, we build it, we fail, we build it, we fail. At that point, it's done. Because look at what we've done. We've put in. This looks like barcode now. If I remove this, this right here looks like consolidation. Yeah. I am at that point in my trading where I'm having the devil literally in my ear. Where I know I have a profitable setup. I know how to profitably trade. My accounts are in the gutters, bro. My accounts are in the fucking gutters, bro. I have like 5 accounts, and you have like 6 accounts that are about to get blown, and then the other like 5 to 6 are like at like just below 1,000 before getting blown. So I'm super light on risk right now. We'll see what happens in these next couple of days. And yeah, dude. If anyone's watching this, man, pray for me. I'm doing good. I'm not like my mental's pretty decent right now. I'm not tripping about anything. I just need some brothers in Christ to just pray for me. I need some strength. I need some confidence. I need some peace. Again, I'm not gonna look at what I didn't do today. I'm going to look at what I did do today and what I learned from it. And I'm saying this right now to the fucking camera. From here on out, on March 9th, I will only take the setup that I've been trading with a clear range and a clear CISD on both assets with 2 minimum candles for my CISD. That is what I will trade. I will trade that till the day I die. I know it is profitable. I've seen the data. I don't need to backtest anymore. I don't need to do these things. I don't need to overcomplicate this. The only thing I need to do from here is focus on avoiding shitty setups. How do I know what a shitty setup is? If we have a bunch of wick outs around the CISD, and if it's right here, I literally write it out. Dangerous wick outs around CISDs. Or if we get a wick out type close on our CISD, which was like this one right here, where we kind of like come down, wick it out, and then close, but we still get a CISD. That's a wick out CISD. Okay. And it says wait or fade right here. This candle would be considered a wick out CISD. We come up all the way here, wick it out, and then CISD. I'd have to wait for this closure, which was a great close. It just didn't happen on ES. So like I know what I want to do. Even if, dude, guys, I'm telling you right now, I'm probably gonna blow these accounts. Okay, they probably might get blown. I'm already mentally preparing for that. I want the peace of knowing that I know what I'm gonna do from here on out, and it's not going to change. Okay. I love my strategy. I know the way I trade is profitable. I just need to focus more on fading bad setups, and that's literally it. Again, I'm focusing on what I'm doing, what I've learned today, what I'm not doing. I should have taken this setup right here. I should not have taken this setup. I should not have taken this setup. Um, I should have taken this setup. This is a very clean trade. Hits IV, break even, and then yeah, that's it. So that's it, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and yes, bye bye.